What's up, guys? JohnMcNeil.com here, and today I'm excited to make this video because I think this is a video that can actually help out a lot of people. Now, contrary to popular opinion, most people think that you have to have a gazillion subscribers on YouTube in order to make any money. Now, guys, that's absolutely not true. Obviously, subscribers do help you. It helps you build your brand, your audience, and it can help you sell products, but it's not the end all be all to actually generate revenue when it comes to YouTube. So in this video, guys, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually make money with YouTube without subscribers. And we're starting right now. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here. We're going to jump right into this video because I'm actually going to show you two different ways that you can actually generate revenue, sell affiliate products, and sell your own products with YouTube without having a gazillion subscribers. So one of the ways that you can actually generate sales with YouTube is by coming up into like the search results, right? So you don't have to have a ton of subscribers to come up in the search results. And I'm going to give you guys a couple tips on how you can do that. And then I'm going to show you another method after this that will also help you, generate revenue very fast using YouTube and not having a ton of subscribers. So what I've done now is I'm here at YouTube and I've just typed in this keyword weight loss. So for instance, if I wanted to sell a product in the weight loss niche, one of the first things I would do is I would type in the main keyword, which would be weight loss. And as you can see, when I type in weight loss, you see these main keywords. So this is what YouTube is actually suggesting to us as the most pertinent keywords for this particular root keyword at this moment. So the majority of the people that are typing in weight loss are going to be typing in like, lose weight loss fast, lose weight loss in a week, lose weight loss in a month, lose weight overnight. So these particular keywords are actually going to be pretty competitive. So if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of channel authority, you don't have a lot of subscribers, these particular keywords may be more difficult to rank for. But what you want to do is you want to try to actually rank for longer tail keywords, things that are still related, but are going to be less competitive so that you can get into these search results in like on this first page and hopefully like within like the first 5 results. So a good way to find long tail keywords would be a method I call ABC, and this isn't my method. This is something that I learned. So we have the lose weight root keyword, and then what I would first do is I would do a space, and then I would do A. And then so I would look at now what keywords are coming up. Lose weight and build muscle. Lose weight at home. Lose weight apple cider vinegar. Lose weight after pregnancy. Now we have different keywords that we can probably target that's not going to be as competitive as just lose weight fast, right? Let's go look at B. Lose weight by walking. Lose weight by drinking water. Lose weight by running. Let's look at C. Lose weight by cycling. You lose weight challenge. Lose weight cardio. Let's look at D. Lose weight diet, lose weight drink, lose weight water, lose weight during pregnancy. Like you can go all the way down the alphabet and find multiple keywords that you can target, long tail keywords that you can target so that you have a better chance of coming up in these first page search results. And then you do a video, you do a compelling video, and then you drive them to an affiliate product, your product, or wherever you want to drive them to. So that's the first way you can actually do it. So you pick a product and then you go through this method of trying to find, relevant keywords that are not going to be as competitive as the root keyword. And then you start targeting a bunch of these. You just take like a pen and a pad and write down all the different keywords, all the different ideas in your head of things that you can do centered around those different keywords, and then make as many videos as possible. Again, driving them to that affiliate product or your own product, right? So that's the first way. The second way is actually just basically paying to get your video in front of people. So you don't need subscribers for this, guys. You can just pay YouTube, you know, sometimes pennies on the dollar to just get your video ad in front of people. So the way you would do that is, I'm in my creator studio now, and I'm just picking a random video here, and I would just click on this little drop down arrow, and I would just go to promote. And basically that's going to allow me to basically pay to promote this video. And the cool thing about doing like video ads is it's super targeted, and you can actually target the specific audience that you want to reach out to. So you can target people that are typing in like lose weight keywords. You can put in specific keywords you want to target. You can even target specific channels, and you can target specific videos. So if there's channels or videos in your space that you're trying to sell in that are doing very well, that are getting a lot of views, you can target specific videos, you can target channels, and then put your video ad in front of those videos so that you start getting a lot of traffic to your particular video and your ad, which is going to lead to sales. And then what you want to do when you're doing these video ads is, a lot of people will drive them to like a webinar. You can also drive them to a squeeze page where they're able to, like, you know, download some content. It could be some video content, some training, an ebook, but you want to just get them to actually opt in to a page or to a webinar so that you can get them a step closer to making a sale. So we're in like Google Ads now. I'm just kind of just giving you guys an example of, you know, what you can do. So you would just set up like your campaign name. You would do like your actual video ad here. Again, you can target locations, you can target your audience specifically, so you can do the keywords, you can do the channels, and then you can actually set your budget. So you don't have to like break the bank on this. You can say, hey, I only want to spend $5 a day, $10 a day, whatever your budget is. You know, you can, you know, assign that amount, and then you can actually, you know, get a lot of traffic and start making sales to your affiliate products. I'm actually going through some coursework right now on video ads. So I will be doing a lot more training in the future in detail on like how to set up, you know, video ads and get traffic, because it's a phenomenal way to get in front of your target market, and it's relatively cheap doing these video ads. So again, that's two different ways, guys, that you can, you know, make money without having a ton of subscribers. So don't let having a subscriber base scare you, because all you need to do is either organically get into the search you know, search range in terms of your keywords that you're targeting, and I just kind of showed you how to do that, or you just pay to get in front of your target market. And, you know, you drive into your pages, your websites, your squeeze pages, your webinars, and you make those sales. So this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out my #1 recommended marketing system in the link below. It'll be the first link underneath this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about these two methods, and if you think that you're going to implement one of these methods in terms of driving sales for your business. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is John for JohnMcNeil.com. Love you guys. Peace.